In this video, I will guide you through the simple steps to how to log into your account on in.rsdelivers.com. Whether you're a new user or returning customer, this guide will help you access your account easily and securely. To begin, open your preferred web browser and then in the address bar at the top, type in .rsdelivers.com and press enter. This will take you to the RS India website. Once you're on the website, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the login and sign up button. Click on it to go to the login page. When you land on the login page, you will see two fields, one for your email address and username and another for your password. In the first box, type your registered email ID or username and make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the email and username. In the second box, carefully enter your password. Once you've entered your both details, click the login in button and that's it. You're now logged into. Now you can see your RS India account dashboard and ready to explore.